Hi guys, this is Nancy with Stamping Before Anything Else. We are here today with the Make It in a Minute Monday card, and we got a layout that we're going to be using that is similar to last week's card, just because for some reason I'm on a kick of doing those cards. This is a card that we're going to be making today. It's super simple, super quick, and you can always switch it out with different stamp sets that you have. So let's get started. You're going to be needing these colors in inks. You're going to be needing the Forever Fern stamp set. We're going to be using the You Can Do This, and then we're going to be using one of these leaf stamps. You're going to be using this ribbon right here, and I cannot remember the name of it. I will find that out for you. We're going to be using the Holiday Rhinestones, and this is the die that we're going to be using. It is the smallest little rectangle in the stitch rectangle dies. And what I did ahead of time is I cut them out just to save a little bit of time, so you guys don't have to watch me do any die cutting. So basically we just need a thick Whisper White card base that measures 8.5 by 5.5. We need a strip of the Pretty Peacock paper, which is 1 3/4 by 5.5. And then you're going to need 4 of those die cut pieces that I was just talking about. All right, so pretty simple. We're going to go ahead and we're going to take our leaf stamp right here, and we're just going to go right down and stamp one of the images on each one of these little rectangles. So we're starting out with the garden green. We're going to do Pretty Peacock next. We'll do Shaded Spruce. And last but not least, we're going to do Just Jade. Now, we're going to bring back in our Pretty Peacock ink. We're going to take our card base, and we're going to stamp You Can Do This. And I'm going to open it up down here in the right. And that is all the stamping that we're going to do on the front of the card. Now we're going to lay these on the front. Now if you want, you can shift these over a little bit. I just kind of plopped them on there. Now we're going to take our beautiful gingham ribbon, and we're just going to try to tie a knot on the front of it. So if you're bow challenged or not challenged like I am, this is the perfect way to do it. So all you need to do is get a strip of ribbon, put a glue dot on it, and then take your other end. We're going to cut that off probably right about here. Okay, we're going to take and put another glue dot on the underside and lay it down like that. So now we have the base. We're going to take this piece right here and we're going to tie a knot. Then you take another glue dot, put it on the back, and plop it right on there. And voila, you got your bow, or your knot. Now we're going to add some of these beautiful gems that carried over from last year. Okay, so there we have it. We are done with this. Now, like I said before, you can move these over a little bit. I just kind of put them down just for video purposes. But if you have any questions, certainly let us know. And if you did like this video, we would love it if you would give it a thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe to our channel. We will have more measurements and directions posted over on our blog. We're probably going to do that tomorrow, just because we got a new website that's going live tomorrow, and then we'll make sure we have all the appropriate links. So the post will go live tomorrow, but the video will be posted today. So hope you enjoyed this card, and we look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you.